All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Danielle over at the National Weather Service. I'm showing 1 o'clock, so we will go ahead and get started with this afternoon's weekly weather briefing. Jumping right in, some really good news right off the top is that there's nothing of note on the tropical weather outlook. And then as far as it goes for the next 7 days, we're looking at typical summertime weather through the weekend and into next week. Temperatures are going to remain a few degrees above normal. We could be looking at some heat index or some heat issues as we get into the middle to latter part of next week. And then as far as rain chances are concerned, mostly scattered showers and storms each day with the highest chances Sunday and Monday. So again, tropical weather outlook, nothing there, quiet for the next 7 days, so that's some really good news. Looking at the 7-day outlook, we're in a typical summertime pattern. So it's generally going to be hot and humid with afternoon showers and storms. So here's just a smattering of forecasts from across the area. You can see the best rain chances, the green highlighting for the probability of precipitation or POP as it's indicated on the table. Best rain chances are generally going to be Sunday and Monday afternoons. And I'm not going to show a rainfall total forecast because those rainfall totals are going to be very highly dependent on where individual storms move. So any kind of rainfall total forecast that we put out there right now would probably be wrong as far as individual locations. And then if you take a look at, say, like Tuesday through Thursday of next week, you can start to see some of those higher values sneak in some places for the heat index. A couple areas approaching 110, 109 degrees, maybe even, like I said, approaching that 110 to 112 degree threshold for Wednesday, Thursday. Not super confident in that, but we'll definitely be keeping an eye on it as far as potential for heat impacts during the second half of next week. As far as your fireworks forecasts are concerned with the 4th of July for Friday evening and Saturday evening, both days generally looking at temperatures falling from the low 90s into the lower 80s in the 6 to 10 p.m. time frame. Heat index will similarly fall from around 100 into the upper 80s. And in general, rain chances are going to be 10% or lower. There could be still some very isolated showers in the area Saturday evening during the 6 to 8 time frame, but it should fall off to 10% or lower by 8 to 9 p.m. If you're looking for any point-specific forecasts, please feel free to visit our website, weather.gov/New Orleans. You can use the point-and-click map below the main graphicast to get information specific to your location as far as hourly forecasts are concerned. Looking ahead another week for the middle part of the month, warmer than normal temperatures look to persist with at least medium confidence. There's about a 40 to 50% chance of above normal temperatures during that July 9 to 15 time frame. And then slightly lower confidence in above normal rain through the middle part of the month, only about 33 to 40% chance of above normal rainfall during that same time frame. And that's really it. So no major weather concerns over the next 7 days. We will have daily showers and storms that could bring some localized threats each afternoon in the form of gusty winds, lightning, and heavy rain. And we will be monitoring that heat impact potential during the middle to latter part of the next work week, especially in that Wednesday, Thursday time frame where I was showing you that the heat index values for some areas could be getting close to about 110 degrees or so.